Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Can you see this table? Oh nice. Tell me what is this? This is the table of trigonometric ratios for some specific angles, and the angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The biggest question comes to your mind is how to remember these all values for these trigonometric ratios. So today I am here with a trick to remember all these ratios. You need to remember only one of these, that is sine A. Not only remember, but I will tell you a shortest method how you can write this table in exam before everyone else. So guys, see here. Consider your left palm. I am writing it down here. I am just drawing your left palm. Now we will allot a number to each of our finger. Okay? For our left thumb, let us give the number 0, index finger will give 1, middle finger 2, ring finger 3 and little finger 4. So it is quite easy. What you can do is you can give numbers to your fingers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So likewise here we have given number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we'll do is we will divide this by 4, each number by 4. So 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Right. So this, I feel this is very easy for you people to remember how to write the values for the angles, where we will be writing 0 degree for thumb, 30 degree again for index finger, 45 degree for middle finger, 60 degree for ring finger and 90 degree for little finger. So these are the angles and these are the numbers we have allotted for each finger. Now what we have to do is just write the ratio, the root, square root for each of the number. So we are writing the square root. Okay. And now whatever values we are getting after writing the square root, that is the value for our sine. Sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. So likewise 0 by 4 is always 0. So root of 0 by 4 also will become 0. Here 1 by 4. So if we take the square root of this, it becomes 1 by 2. 2 and 4 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it remains 1 by 2 and that comes under root 1 by 2. Here 3 is an irrational 3 is a prime number, so it remains under the root, and 4's square root we can take as 2. So it becomes root 3 by 2. And here 4 gets cancelled 1 and square root of 1 is 1. So this is the value of sine theta, sine of all the angles. Now let us write in the table. Here is the table of trigonometric ratios for these specific angles. Now let us write the values what we have noted down on our fingers. So the sine 0 is 0. So we will mention in the table. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is root 1 by 2, or this will be 1 by root 2 because square root of 1 is again 1. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is 1. Now I'll tell you how to write the remaining ratios. Sine, if you are able to write the values of sine of angles, then it is very easy to write the remaining angles also. Now that we have written all the angles of sine theta, all the values we have written for all the angles. Now for cos A, for cos of any angle, what we have to do is sine values of sine angles we will write the reverse of that. That means we'll start with 1 comes first, then comes root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and then 0. So just let us write it. Just in reverse we will write of sine. So 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. I hope this is clear how to write the angles of sine theta. And now we know tan of any angle is the ratio of sine and cos. That means if we divide sine by cos, we will get the values of tan. So 0 by 1, we will divide each value. 0 by 1 becomes 0. 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. When we divide, 2 gets cancelled. What remains is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. When we cancel both, we get 1. Root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. When we cancel, 2 and 2 gets cancelled and remains is root 3. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So it is not defined. Okay. Or we can write it as infinite. It is not defined, or tan 90, the value of tan 90 is infinite or it is not defined. Now same way cot A. How we have written for cos A? Just reverse of sin A. In the same way we will write for cot A reverse of tan A. So just write reverse of tan A, that is infinite. Next is root 3. Next is 1. And here comes 1 by root 3 and the last one is 0. So I hope you guys have understood how to write tan and cot. Now sec A, we know that it is the reciprocal of cos. So whatever values of cos we have got, we will just write the reciprocal of that. So reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. Root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by 2 is 2. And the reciprocal of 0 is again not defined. So here it will be infinite. In the same way, cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. So we can take the reciprocal of these all, or we can just write the reverse of sec A. If we write the reverse, we get the same answer. Write the reverse of sec A, infinite, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. So this is how we can write this table of trigonometric ratios for different specific angles from 0 to 90 degree. I hope this will be easy for you people to write in exam. Before you start exam, immediately after reading the question paper, you can write it in a rough page and keep it safe so that when you are attempting the question of related values, you can write it easily. I hope I am helpful somewhere to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Write in the comment section if you want any specific video on some content, and subscribe to my channel those who are watching this video for the first time. Thank you.